Ah, big finish here. Check these grand scale. Look at the reflection. Isn't that something? You know, that's not metal behind it. That's the diamond that you're seeing there. It's a 3-carat solitaire. Look at that chunky monkey. It's got a really nice amount of gold. Wow, that's pretty. It should be, right? It was originally, what's that? Oh yeah, I know we do. We have other choices in the size, in the shapes, but that is just, I mean, outstanding. Come on. Yeah, we've got the round. We've got the teardrop shape, which I'm wearing, which I love. We also have the emerald cut, which if you want to show off the clarity of a diamond, that's what you want. Now the emerald is the only one that we have both in white and yellow gold. Pardon? Once more, please. Oh, good. We also have a very, very few, but we do have in the teardrop shape, we do have some yellow available as well. So the first thing I would do would be to pick your shape. What shape is it going to be for you? What are you thinking? Are you thinking teardrop? Are you thinking emeralds? Are you thinking oval? Are you thinking round? They come on a 20-inch chain, but you can adjust it from a 16 to a 17 to an 18 and a 20. It's totally your choice, but I love that versatility. That was actually my idea. We were in a meeting and we were saying, how can we be better? How can we do more for our customer? And I said, let's give them a chain that's a big, bold chain, in this case, a box chain, but let's make it so they can actually wear it with anything they want to. So a 16 is a choker on most people. You can wear it that way and then all the way down to the 20. The teardrop has always really caught my eye. It gives you a lot of visual weight, but this round, oh my goodness, the way it shines, it's just breathtaking in my opinion. I mean, this is the #1 selling cut in the world, right here, the round. The reason people love it is because it releases the maximum amount of light, more than any other cut does. So when you talk about diamonds, first you talk about the shape and then you talk about the cut. So the face-up shape on this one is round, and the cut is brilliant and ideal. What that means to you is that there is no leakage of light. It is precision cut and beautiful. A 3-carat solitaire, we didn't even used to be able to grow them in these sizes until recently, like just in the last few years. When lab-grown diamonds first hit the market, everything was very small, it was very inconsistent, and now look what we're able to do. These are glacial. And speaking of glacial, this is where the clarity shines in firelight. The teardrop shape, do you look at the even cutting on this? I want to talk to you about cutting on teardrop shapes because it's a really important conversation to have. It's the one that I'm wearing. Oh, and by the way, the ovals are set left to right, which makes them a little unique, very different, very special, and will give you a bigger look than even the 3-carat. All right, so let me address that first since you saw it last. The one that's on its side, the oval cut, the reason that it physically looks bigger than a brilliant round does is because it's not as deep of a cut. It's a more shallow cut and it's spread out. So the table across the top is longer, and that's why it looks bigger. But that is an ooh la la moment if I ever saw it. You really want to make your knees weak, that's how you do it. I mean, look at that. And you see the whole diamond, the culet of the diamond. See where it comes to a point right there? That's called the culet. And that is amazing to have the light go all the way to the bottom in the setting when you're looking at something so big, allows you a lot of light play. Yum. I mean, it's just a great piece. And again, you have a lobster claw clasp, and I'm going to show you the jump rings too so that you can see how you can size it. See those little round rings? That's how you can make it the different sizes. It moves freely on the chain and it's just a hot, hot mama right here. You deserve it. I know it's a chunk of change at $4,299.98, but you have many options here. And you also have a holiday return policy, which goes until the end of January. I have gotten very attached to that round necklace. Very good looking. In the emerald, we have white and yellow. In the oval, we have white. In the pear, we have yellow. And in the round shape,